Okay. Okay, hello dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And I want to start my day with the most a la mode makeup. What does it mean? So I recently found that people make fake freckles. So I can save a lot of the step of putting on freckle, putting on face powder, putting on foundation. So I washed my face and put on some water, tonic water, and then cream. Just the most basic thing without any makeup, and it's just some cleansing and skincare. And you take care of your eyes a little bit, cleaning up a little bit, and you do not even need to have a rubber band on your hair. So my eyebrow is a little bit pale, so I put some color, the dark foundation color. Oh my goodness, I remember. Know what? This is a gift from my husband. Let me see if there is something we can use. Oh, wow. This is not that color. Another time, I did not even. Another time, so I will still use this dark color. I thought there are some. You know, I do not wear glasses, so I cannot see myself very clearly. I do not know if I need some other layer, another darker color. Let me wear my glasses and see if this is okay. Yeah, actually this shows a little bit. Okay, I will not use for now a layer of darker color and see how it goes. Not in a rush. So I was thinking, the other day I made a video of myself not appreciating my freckles, just try to understand what is the logic of people having fake freckles. And then I heard some people say, no, I was thinking, I become the trend leader. Don't you think so? So there is a trend that people gray hair. I am gray hair. And another trend is freckle. I am leading the freckle trend. What is the next thing I can lead? You know what? I do have a thing that I can lead. At 60 years old, I have acne on my face. So maybe the next trend will be people put acne on their face. I'm kidding. No, I'm not even kidding. You never know what is going on in this world. And you never want to know. And you never care to know, because that's all the fun of it. Don't you think so? the interesting part of the unpredictable. Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. The future is not out to see. Que sera, sera. My neighborhood, I think in every neighborhood in the world, I'm pretty sure this is your case also. You have a machinery exhibition every day. There's air compressors, there's pumpers, and there's hammers, there's chainsaws, and there's air blowers. There's always everything happening. They are making an orchestra show or concerto. They are making a concerto of machinery. Bum, 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 bum. And then all these songs together, right? Such is our life. You learn to deal with all these noises because this is more life, more real. Don't you think so? I feel it's relaxing. It feels no, not relaxing, but I feel it's more lively, more real. This might be the last couple of times you see my hair. I will cut it. It seems too long. Oh, they stopped. Okay, so this is my makeup. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. I do feel this looks actually, and by no means kidding, I am really by all means serious. I do feel the color like this looks better. And I have seen other people doing makeup, and a beautiful lady, young or old, before makeup, there is this blemish, there is the skin color, there is freckles. Some does not have freckle, but the skin color, true skin color, that looks transparent, that looks fragile, that looks real and true and original, and then put on foundation, and then put on face powder, and finish up with quite exaggerated. I don't know, it's the makeup skill, or it's the makeup, putting on makeup. I feel if I do not, now I like myself like this actually. If I put on color, if I put on face powder, maybe it looks too abrupt, too sudden. Do I make sense? Now I say it in Chinese. Après je vais faire en français. 所以我觉得你化妆的时候，有的时候你自己觉得呀，化妆一定要放上粉底，要放上粉，然后再画的用眉线笔、眼线笔一个一个画的，然后安上假睫毛，那样 可能好。如果你在镁光灯下面嚓嚓嚓给你照特别亮的灯，那样那个反差会好一些。但是要是我们平常就是这样平常说话、走路去见朋友，有的时候你不小心亲亲人，现在当然没有了。以前你见面要互相亲一亲，然后你的脸上一脸的粉都跑到别人的领子上，也不好，对不对？我就觉得这样显得更透明、更真一些。N'est-ce pas? Avant, je fais le maquillage, je fais le fond de teint, je fais le poudre. Et après, avec le stylo, non pas stylo, avec le crayon, je fais le ficile, eyebrow et tout ça. Et je pense maintenant c'est mieux qu'avant. C'est plus simple, c'est plus original et c'est plus transparent. Qu'est-ce que tu penses? Merci. I love you, I really do. Do, 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 do. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye. Ah, you are here.